Hello everyone. So myself Dr. Yash and I'm a homeopathic doctor and I have clinic in Goregaon. So many of us we have a question why homeopathic doctors ask so many questions like what is your nature, what are your fears, what are your dreams, tell me about your stressful situation, what was the experience, then what are if you have a headache, then what is the type of pain, what increases the pain or what decreases the pain. So many of us who would be taking homeopathic treatment you all have this question like why we ask so many questions. So reason behind this is we try to understand the person behind the disease. We try to individualize the patient. For example, five people are suffering headache, then all it is a probability that all five patients would receive a different remedy because as we know we all are different individuals and we all have different patterns, we all are different personalities and we react in a different manner. So purpose behind so many questionnaires is just to understand who are you as a person and how is what is your nature and who is this person behind this sickness. Because we everyone are different. So let me give you an example and how we try to understand the patient. So how we do that? So this is a repertory. So repertory is a collection of many symptoms and which is organized in different sections. So for example, we ask you fears. So we have a different section on fears. For we all have different fears. Some have fear of dark, some have fear of animals, some have fear of snake. So we if you would be seeing there is list of remedies into it. So they were proved and on proving. So what is proving? For example, in homeopathic, what do you mean by proving? So this drug, for example, this drug lacananum. So lacananum is a drug made from milk of dog's milk. So and it is potentized. So there is a process known as potentization where we arouse the dynamic power of the medicine. So there is no crude substance. For example, in lacananum, for example, there are different potencies 30 to 101 or 10 m, 50 m, cm, lm. So there are different potencies and which there is a dynamization. So how what is homeopathic drug proving? So whenever this drug lacananum is given to a healthy human being, so he produces a symptom, a fear of snakes. So in this way, we get the symptoms. So also there is a section known as vertigo. So for example, vertigo while lying down. So lying aggravation, lying aggravation. So there's a different set of symptoms. So in this way, we all have we all we all have different sections. For example, there is a section on respiration about your breathing pattern. There is section on cough. So the main aim of all this is to try to individualize the patient and try to understand who is the person in disease. So if you are visiting a homeopathic doctor, try to observe small things, small patterns, because it really helps the doctor to find your correct remedy. So thank you and